Hello, welcome back to the Stay Fitness channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Daniela. I'm a fitness, nutrition and life coach specializing in obesity and diabetes management. So today I am reviving an oldie, a classic, well, I don't know if it's a classic, but it's an old recipe, because it's actually not my old recipe, it's Crystals from Carnivoreish Crys. But yeah, it was one of my first recipes from the protein sparing world. She made this carnivore hot dog buns. It was one of first few videos that I made, and I thought, why not revive it, bring a new twist. Of course I've changed we all updated our recipe for egg white bread, and yeah, thank you Carnivoreish Crys to bring always the most amazing recipes. I always make her pizza rolls. If you haven't checked that out, check that out. It's amazing. I have them almost every day. But yeah, today we're making these hot dog buns, which I thought it was such a great idea. Both now is spring is coming, picnics, take with you, to eat on the go, for parties, if you're having a barbecue, it's like a side dish. I think they're just amazing. And yeah, let's have a look how to make these carnivore hot dog buns. So here you're going to see that I'm making an absurd amount of egg white butter, but it's not just for the buns. So I'm making the pizza rolls, I'm making some buns, so yeah. If you just want to make I would just make maybe half the dose, not even half of this, half of the normal dose, half a carton of egg whites and all that. So here I'm making 1.5 doses, but I'm gonna leave you the dose for one dose. I'm gonna leave you in the description below, so you just do the normal procedure that we all know by now. My extra ingredients are tapioca starch, totally optional. I think it gives a great taste. And what else do I add? No, I think tapioca starch is the only extra thing I add. Well, there's allulose, which of course gives softness, also that is optional. And yeah, in the whole egg powder, which you can substitute for 2 tablespoons of whole egg powder, I would add 2 yolks. Or you can add some butter powder or any other type of fat, but I think if you don't add any type of fat, it just gets a bit dry. And yeah, so to make these hot dog buns, I just laid out some hot dogs. I didn't cook them or anything, they cook in the oven. I don't think, but if you want them grilled, then go for it. And then I just tried to form some type of bun. Try to imagine what would look like once I turn them upside down. Try to make them look as classic American hot dog as possible, and then you bake them until they're cooked golden brown. Maybe take 10ish minutes at the usual 325. Don't overcook them, because then we're going to flip them over and add cheese, which is totally optional. You can also just stop the cooking there and then top them up later, but who doesn't love cheese on things? I think cheese makes everything better, so I totally added a ton of cheese. And then once they're ready, here you can add mustard and ketchup, whatever you would enjoy. You can make chili dogs, which I'd never had in my life. I had no idea what chili dog, what is it? Is this chili and then you put on a hot dog? I don't know how they would taste. Yeah, but that's what you love eating, this would be perfect. They don't taste they taste, because the bread from the hot dogs is usually that really sweet, cheap, it's very soft processed bread. So this tastes very similar, because you don't expect a sourdough or anything fancy. So it does have that cheap bread flavor. I just here added some salsa made with avocado, tomatoes and red onions, but just to give it a spritz of color, otherwise it would just be beige food on a beige board and it just would look so dull. But yeah, as I say, you add whatever mayo, you can get some amazing avocado oil mayo, some spicy sauce, anything you want basically. And I think they're great. Everyone's gonna love them, kids gonna love them. If you want your kids to eat more protein, this is the recipe. You can get some good quality hot dogs. In US you have so much choice of hot dogs. In the UK it's so sad, you get one brand of hot dogs. In when I'm from, hot dogs are like half of the aisle in, like you have an aisle just dedicated to hot dogs. Like people think in Italy we only eat pasta, but no, we eat a lot of hot dogs. We put hot dogs on everything. But yeah, let me know, what would you put on your hot dog buns? Would you put cheese? Would you put, I don't know, onion, like the sprinkled dry, or like the fried onion type thing, which I think it would be nice. But yeah, I'm looking forward to your comments. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Check out the rest of my videos. I have so much content: metabolic health, carnivore diet, keto, ketovore, animal based, all sorts. So go and have a look, consider subscribing, consider sharing this video, giving it a like and all that shebang. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.